Hello, my name is Rohit Talesra and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be covering Kaminari pagination related gem, which will help us in setting up the UI as well as help us in managing the entire pagination thing. Okay, so before this video, I have already created two videos related to pagination. One was using PagiGem and second one was using Will Paginate Gem. Okay, out of these three, Pagi is the best one. Kaminari is also commonly used, and will paginate is also commonly used. So, yeah, just covering entire spectrum. So let's start. If you see my website, there are hundred products, and all of them are shown on the homepage. But what we want is we want to show 10 or 20 or 30 page products at once. So basically paginate them, right? So let's start. Okay, we can go to this Kaminari website GitHub, add this gem. So let's go and add it to our gem file. Okay, let's do bundle install Rails server. Now we can simply use page 7. Okay, so for that, what we'll use is we cannot use actually 7 directly because obviously we cannot have a fixed value. We'll have to fetch it from the URL, right? So in URL, we can have something like question mark equals to page equals to 7. So page is the param and 7 is the value. Okay, so that way we'll have to work on things. So we can use something like this. Typically, your controller code will look like this. Okay, let's use this controller. Maybe we don't need all. We'll see. And in UI, we can use at that paginate users, but instead of users, we'll use products because we are showing products here. Let's see. Refresh. And we can see first 25 products, 26 to 50, 100. Okay, great. First, next, and last. Okay. So the one advantage that what was it? Uh, Kaminari is giving is that by default in their UI they have first, previous, next, and last, and in other two options we identified that it is previous and next only. Okay, but yeah, it's not a big deal because customization is really easy. You can always add your own options, so not a big deal, and you can go in depth of it. It's not that hard, but I'm just giving you the basic overview. You can always optimize the CSS, uh, change the UI, change how many by default products you want to show on one page. Like we are currently showing 25, you can customize it to 10, 20, whatever you want. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you. Bye bye.